Hello everyone, welcome to this course. My name is Tarek and I just want to thank you for your attention, and I hope that you're ready to remove some negative links on Google. And I also want to let you know that the techniques you learn in this course will not just allow you to remove negative links on Google, but will allow you to remove negative links on every search engine. So you could be using Google or Bing or Yahoo, and after taking this course, when you apply the knowledge you gain, when you search your name or your business's name in any search engine, then all you will be seeing is great things that you want your customers to see. Now in this course, we're going to be focusing on the algorithms of Google, but understand that these techniques apply to any search engine. And I'm also going to teach you a lot about SEO, and in particular SEO as it pertains to Google when you're trying to remove a Google link or push it further down the search results, so basically nobody would be seeing it. The first thing we're going to talk about in this course is when you see a negative link, how do you remove it? How do you wipe that negative link completely off the internet? I'm going to teach you how to talk to the people who made the post in order to remove it, whether that's the author of the post or the person who's slandering you. And I'm also going to teach you how to go through Google's systems to flag a negative link and actually get it taken down. Now, those things don't always work, and in reputation management, there are things that we can't do because we're not superhumans, so it is unfortunate, but sometimes those things don't work. But we can have superhuman-like success when we understand SEO, and particularly understand SEO as it pertains to Google. And we'll do that by creating new links that are positive and having them have better SEO, which means they'll appear higher than the negative links, and thus they will push the negative links down and effectively have them disappear so nobody else can see them. As you build your brand and you start making more content on social media or doing more interviews, then I'm going to teach you how to have all of those positive things that you want people to see show up first on Google. That way, if there's a negative search result, somebody would have to search very far back and go to page 10 or page 20 of Google search results. And let's be honest, who's going that far in Google search results? So I'm going to teach you how to have your customers only see the positive about yourself or your business. And even if somebody does find one of those really far back negative links about you that's on page 10 or page 20 of search results, then they're probably going to think, well, I just went through 10 or 20 pages of nonstop positive results. So could this negative link perhaps be wrong? And even if people did believe that negative link a little bit, if it's on page 10 or page 20 of the search results, then it actually makes your brand appear a little bit more believable, and it also makes you appear as though you're getting more attention. And that might sound a little bit crazy, but that's actually a big part of the mindset of reputation management. If you create a lot of positive media about yourself, then there's a possibility that somebody's going to slander you. And that has nothing to do with whether or not you're a bad person. It's simply because you're very notable and perhaps even a little bit famous. And I've seen this with many of my clients in the past. A lot of them have said, you know, Tarek, I'm really struggling with these negative links. And I tell them, well, it's impossible to remove that negative link completely because sometimes it is. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to outrank it with all of the positive links I'm going to create about you. So I'm going to rank higher than that negative link, and I'm actually going to turn you into a pretty prominent public figure. And that way, it's not going to matter if people are talking about you because it's just going to give you more attention. And attention to a certain extent is good. So I hope that was a great introduction to this course, and now you can understand the scope of it. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to try to remove those links, the negative links altogether. And if that doesn't work, then I'm going to teach you how to outrank the negative links so they get pushed back very far on search results, and it's unlikely anybody ever even sees them. So now let's go ahead and start removing all of those negative Google links.